welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm making chicken with pasta, and this is my ingredients here. I have some Parmesan cheese in the panko, and I'm flouring from here, eggs, and my chicken. And over here, this is my pasta. I'm gonna make my pasta with pepper, onion, and garlic, and this is my sauce. And my chicken seasoned with pepper and salt and garlic powder, ginger powder, and some paprika in my chicken. And I'm using parsley in the tomato sauce and oregano. And this is my Parmesan cheese here. So I'm gonna start my chicken. I think my oil is ready. Okay. I'm heating up my oil. Finish in the oven.
This is very crispy, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna finish it in the oven. We're just trying to get it right. Open the oven. Putting it in for like and 350, 5 to 10 minutes. Good amount of salt, a lot of salt. Okay. Dropping our pasta. Dropping a lot of pasta here. I don't know if my pot is big enough. Just want it to stick together. Okay. Red sauce. Put in olive oil. Onion and garlic. Okay, make our onions cook up a little bit more. Okay, our chicken is ready. Yay! We put in pepper already.
Looks so pretty.
Check our pasta. A little bit more. Some oregano. Look what it is. Salt. Pepper. Cook our sauce.
Technique.
Some fish sauce. It's very salty. You have to be careful. Okay, I got to drop my pasta. And a little bit more parsley. It's good. I hope it's fine. Okay, if we need any more pasta, I'm gonna make our pasta in here. It's al dente, perfect. look yummy. Water. Okay. This is my pasta, and I'm gonna make you a dish. Let's clean up over here. Ready? Okay, family, thanks for coming into my home. Bye, take care. Happy spring. Have a great day. Bye-bye.